We have an eye-catching 1967 Chevelle. It has a 502 crate motor under the hood. All the mechanicals are done. It's a rust-free car. 4L80 overdrive automatic transmission. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. You can also go to volocars.com to see 200 classic cars for sale. Each one will have a price tag and the monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yep, so far everyone's loving the color. The guys in the shop, oh, this thing's going to sell fast, the color. The body is really straight. It has all the SS trim, the bulged hood, lines up square, flush, straight, flat, all the way down the side of the car is clean and straight. I mean, right down to the bottom here, all shiny, fits real nicely, lines up real good. Shuts like a new car. No vinyl top, so it's all that gorgeous radiant blue. All the lines are nice and straight and crisp. All this looks great right in through here. Has the blacked out SS tail panel. Right here in the groove, there's some little bumps right there inside the groove. And there's a little scratcher. It looks like a fingernail laying there. Other than that, it's really outstanding paint. Little rock chips. There's a touch-up right here. Little tiny rock chips behind the tire. Clean right around the wheel well trim. This is all nice and clean. Opens and closes like a new car. Smooth, no rust. All nice and clean. The paint is laid out evenly. Does have little tiny metallic in it. And it's all polished, smooth, and glossy. Now these chrome grills look like new. Everything up here has been replaced, but not new. There's a couple little scuffs, probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. Cross flag emblems. I love that emblem. All nice and sparkly. The stainless moldings, nice 8 out of 10. They're straight, fit nice. The glass is real clear. Has bow tie mirrors on both sides. Door handles are about a 7. Cragor wheels are sparkling. They're 15-inch Cragors, extra wide and back with some nice meaty BF Goodrich tires. And then these emblems and all the trim back here is looking really sharp too. Why don't we open it up, see the interior, and check out that 502. All right, we're going to look inside the trunk. Under the trunk lid and the jamb is painted nicely. The weather strip has been replaced. Completely clean, rust-free metal. It's got a system, and it looks like 3 amplifiers. Yeah, it sounds really good in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out volocars.com. The jambs are nice and clean, and the weather strips are replaced. The interior has been replaced. You'll see the reproduction door panels and armrest pads. They look really nice. Nice clean dash. The dash pad's real nice. Has a cool set of blue lit Dakota Digital gauges. 1,179 miles. That's on the mechanical restoration on this car. But all across here is nice, clean CD stereo unit. All this is nice and clean. There's a Super Sport emblem. Kick panels are nice. Carpet's real nice. It has GM seat belts. Has a Speedwinder shifter. It's nice. You can put it right in the gear that you want it to be in. No mistakes. The seats have a real nice cushion. Been reupholstered, but it does look like it's got a wear crack right here from flexing. It's not ripped. It's like a crackle in the surface. And back here, same thing. Nice carpet, real nice upholstery. We got the seat belts, the side panels, the armrest. All that's been redone. Has a sound bar of speakers across the rear shelf. The headliner looks to be in good original condition. The dome light works. Got matching visors. The mirror is nice and clear. Even has the SS steering wheel. That all looks real nice. So nice clean interior. So it is a GM Crate 502, and now it's making about 550 horsepower. It has aluminum GM performance heads, the bow tie aluminum intake. It's a quick fuel 850. No, it's a Demon carb under there, but it's an 850 Demon electric choke. It's a nice premium fittings and the fuel regulator. And back, it's an MSD ignition with a billet distributor. Under those valve covers, it does have Crane gold roller rockers. There's also an oil pressure relief spring. 2-inch ceramic coated headers. There's some nice dipsticks for the motor and trans. Nice big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans and an aluminum water cooler. All March billet pulleys with the serpentine belt. It has the Type 2 power steering with this remote reservoir, 120 amp polished alternator, the chrome or tall aluminum valve covers, power brakes, underside of the hood's painted real nicely. So good looking motor compartment, and it runs strong, and Michael's going to demonstrate that for you. See you in a minute.
Everybody, we got a ground pounder here today. This Chevelle's got a 502 underneath the hood. Sounds fantastic. Really nice exhaust system on here. It's got the axe pipe and the long tube headers, all the goodies. Same thing with the undercarriage, clear across the board, just nice and clean, very well put together and just totally rebuilt. It's got a real nice ride to it. Power steering, and that's got front disc brakes on there as well. Ooh, big one on this one is the 4L80E automatic overdrive transmission. Just give you really good drivability. And yeah, total is supposed to have, I think, 1100 and, well, it says 1181 on the clock right now. Let's see what she's got. 502 crate, guys. And just like that, up to a little bit over highway speeds without any issues at all. Yeah, we were spinning a little out at first. I eased into her, but very healthy, very happy 502 crate here. Should give you a very nice driving experience for quite some time to come. I know these things are supposed to be very reliable. Let's see how it goes down the road here. We got it about 45, stuck behind some traffic. Nice and straight alignment on it too. Yeah, this was owned by a mechanic, and when our shop went over it, we literally flew through the shop. There was only a couple minor little tinkering things that we did with it. If you need the details on that, talk to somebody in sales. And also talk to somebody in sales if you guys want to come out and test drive it for yourself. It's a heck of a lot of fun. Just give us about a day's notice. All the cars are located in a museum setting. Outside of that, check out all the pictures, details, and full description at volocars.com.
So mechanically, this car is really in excellent shape. 11 or 1,200 miles on all the mechanical restoration. And that includes the steering, the suspension, the steering box, the pitman arms, the ball joints, the shocks, the springs, all been replaced. It has a Pipes stainless steel exhaust. It's a 3-inch exhaust with the X-pipe, violator mufflers, goes all the way out the back. Brake system's completely redone. Disc conversion in front. The rear drums are rebuilt. The e-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it does have an extra capacity oil pan with a windage tray and a sump, a high torque starter. It has a 4L80E overdrive automatic transmission with a lot of upgrades. I think I'll read them. Upgraded frictions, steels, valve body, a 3,000 RPM Circle D converter, that's $1,000, a stall with lockup, and a fast transmission controller. It has a new performance drive shaft going back to the rebuilt rear end with 355 posi gears, got new bearings in it. So good, solid car. It's got the look, it's got the performance, got some muscle. The mechanics assured me this thing really rock and rolls. It runs strong, and be no complaints about that part of it at all. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman about your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home, and if you need finance, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.